Hello everyone, welcome to 5 Minute Salesforce. In this video, we'll have a quick introduction to SOQL. SOQL is similar to SQL. If you already know SQL, it will be a cakewalk for you. Salesforce is just like a big database in which objects act as tables and we are querying records from those objects. Salesforce created its own query language and named it Salesforce Object Query Language. It makes sense, right? When we write any SOQL query, we must have two requirements in our mind. What data we need, where that data is located. And when we deeply think about these two requirements, we understand that it all comes down to the fields and objects. So, we use SOQL when we want to get data from a single or from multiple objects. We want certain count of number of records, or we want to sort them, or we just want to retrieve information. This is what a basic SOQL query looks like. Select and from are the keywords. We have to provide the fields and object. Select and from are the required SOQL clauses, and where, limit, order by are some optional SOQL clauses. And always remember that you should always use field API names with select clause. If we have to add any specific condition to fetch records, then we use where clause and provide that specific field and value for which we are querying the record. We can also use logical operators like AND, OR, and IN to add multiple conditions. Limit keyword sets the maximum number of records to return by SOQL query. It is used when we want only a small set of data. Order by is used to sort results by the value of a specific field. Use ASC or DESC qualifier to sort data in ascending or descending order. With them, we can also add nulls first or nulls last to set our preference for records containing null values. So, that was the introduction to SOQL. We'll learn more about SOQL in upcoming videos. Please like and share this video, and if you really want to make my day, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys.